Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to have smooth skin using only bananas and some other ingredients. So let's start. First, squish the banana and mix it with the oil. Now let's spread it on my skin. Now let it stay there for a bit and then rinse it off. So this one is a banana with milk. Now let's squish it to combine these two ingredients. Now let's put it on my other arm. Again, let it stay there for a little bit, then rinse it off. Okay, so this next one is banana with honey. So now let's smush the banana. Now let's rub this on my other arm. Now, after a few minutes, we'll rinse it off. Alright, now let's mix a banana with some lemon juice. Alright, now let's put this on my arm. And then rinse it off. Now let's use butter and banana. Again, let's mush it. Now let's put it on my arm again. Again, just leave it for a few minutes and then rinse it off. This time, we're going to use a different ingredient. We're going to mix up olive oil and sugar. Now let's mix it up. Now let's rub it in my arm. Again, let it stay there for a little while and then rinse it off. I think all of these are good, but my favorite one out of all of these is the butter with the banana, because instead of feeling like a watery goo, it feels more of a cream. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye.